Hola a todos! Hey guys, ¿qué pasa? Welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos a mi canal. My name is Mr. Briggs. I'm a Spanish teacher. Today, I'm going to teach you what steps can you take in order to learn Spanish quickly. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, I encourage you to subscribe. It's completely free. Just click the red button and that way you will be alerted next time I upload a lesson. Very good. Are you ready to begin? Comencemos. 10 steps to learn Spanish. 10 pasos para aprender español. A lot of people seem to learn Spanish very quickly. On the other hand, there's also people who struggle for years and they feel very frustrated. By following the steps, you will be able to learn Spanish quickly. Spanish is an easy, fun language to learn. We are going to list some of the steps you need to take in order to learn Spanish fast. If you apply these steps, you will see how your learning process will speed up. Step number 1. Paso número 1. Fall in love with Spanish. Be determined and motivated. Set goals. When you really like a language, you literally fall in love with that language and you get obsessed over it. Most people that learn languages quickly, they fall in love with the language. They are so obsessed and determined about their learning, they set realistic goals, achievable goals. This helps them to take big steps in their learning process. Be determined and motivated. Start setting some goals. Don't forget realistic goals and achievable goals. Step 2. Paso número 2. Convert things around your house to Spanish. Start using sticky notes. Maybe you can label the fridge, the bathroom, your computer, your guitar, and so many other items around the house. That way you will see these items every single day and you will remember their respective names in Spanish. Immerse yourself in the language. By labeling different items around the house, you will be learning unconsciously some of the words and terms used in Spanish. Why don't you try this for a couple of weeks and see how it goes? Step 3. Paso 3. Listen to Spanish music. There's many artists and bands that you can discover. So you got Latin pop, flamenco, boleros, reggaeton, Spanish Latin music rocks. There's so many singers and bands that you can discover. Many singers have crossed over in English, but there's a lot of them who haven't. And I venture to say that some of the biggest ones still haven't crossed over. Learning a new language requires dedication and self-discipline. It is important that you do not give up. Keep at it even if you do it with small steps. Step 4. Download Spanish applications. The internet offers a wide range of treasures. There are countless applications that can assist you in learning Spanish. And some of these applications are completely free. You don't have to pay anything. Spanish applications can accelerate your learning experience. Why don't you take advantage of technology? It can truly make it enjoyable. Step 5. Paso 5. Build your Spanish vocabulary. This is particularly important. The Spanish vocabulary are pretty much like the bricks of your Spanish learning experience. Memorizing a few words a day, you will enrich your Spanish word power. Step 6. Paso 6. Subscribe to a YouTube channel. Subscribe to a YouTube Spanish channel such as this one. Take advantage of this channel. By subscribing, you will be able to access free lessons on a regular basis. Why don't you click now the red button that says subscribe? You don't have to pay anything, it's completely free. Step 7. Paso 7. Do not obsess over Spanish grammar. Instead, have fun learning the language. Many students get put off by complicated grammar and difficult concepts while they'll try learning a language in school. Don't make that mistake. You don't have to be discouraged by complicated grammar. Learn the language in a fun manner. You learn your own language in a natural manner. Well, in the same way, by exposing yourself to Spanish, listening to music, playing games in Spanish, making friends who speak the language, you can make it more fun and enjoyable. Grammar is important, however, it should never discourage you from learning the language. Step 8. Paso 8. Find an online Skype tutor. Learn Spanish will provide Skype lessons and they can fast-track your learning. A tutor can specifically design lessons for your own learning preferences and can target your own specific needs. Step 9. Watch Spanish movies and TV shows with subtitles. Some shows in Spanish are extremely engaging and fun. I know a lot of people who have learned Spanish simply by watching telenovelas or teleseries. Step 10. Paso 10. Read, underline, look up new words and read again. Have fun. Reading can truly help you and accelerate your learning experience. Not only that, it can help you to make connections between vocabulary that you've learned in the past with new concepts and new words. Take the first step and start learning Spanish, because this is going to be an excellent decision which can affect your future in a positive way. Very good. Muy bien. That was all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and please share this video with your friends. Subscribe. This has been Mr. Briggs once again. I'll see you next time. Have a lovely, beautiful week. Adios.